just wow. So last week my channel blew up, guys, because of you guys. I was not expecting that many views on that video. I thought it was trash. My god, we hit 3k. When I first started my channel, guys, I never expected one person to sit and watch little old me over here doing makeup, even though I can't do it. And I will be doing a giveaway probably at the end of this month, because your girl needs to get paid to go and get something for the giveaway. I thought the makeup just was trash. I don't think I've got that flair for it. Well, I've got the flair, but I don't know if I've got the skills, let's say that. As I said in the other video, I want to play with some makeup and I'm not going anywhere. We've got a lot of Temu makeup. Is my face going to melt off? Most likely. So we're going to pin the hair back and we're going to delve in to some makeupy goodness. So first and foremost, what I love to do is to prep the skin, because your makeup, whether it's cheap as chips or high end that you've got to get a mortgage out, you need to prep your skin. This from Temu I have been loving. It's the Tia Milky Skin Toner. So I'm just gonna put some of this on the skin. It looks questionable. A few newbies to the channel. I do live and work on a caravan site in the UK. So it's now, obviously, we're coming out of summer season, going into winter season, but we are doing a Halloween bash on site. So obviously I'm dabbling with what I want to do. I don't know if I want to be Maleficent or a witch. I haven't made up my mind yet. So I'm just playing around on TikTok with different looks. Like I said, if you do want a last minute ideas for Halloween, then let me know and we can sort that out. Salmon DNA pink peptide serum. This, I don't know if it's breaking me out. It's giving elf dupe, okay? This is definitely giving an elf dupe. And it's a power grip primer with 4% niacinamide, the jelly primer, and it even says jelly grip hydrating primer. Yeah, it's got that jelliness consistency to it, and very, very sticky. Look at that. I'm gonna let that all marinate nicely on the skin, and we're just gonna bring you guys in closer so we can do the brows, the eyes, and you know the drill. So the brow pencil is from this brand called Langman, and it's just a soft eyebrow crayon pencil. I'm sure I've tried one of these brow pencils out before. Long lasting eyebrow gel, basically. Let's see if it keeps these slugs up all day, shall we? This is the little palette that I picked up, which is absolutely gorgeous. I think I'm going to pick this little brown to start off with, this little fluffy one, and go into that brown, tap off the excess and just tap it into the crease. Dig into it a little bit more because nothing's coming out. There's a little bit of pigment, but not a ton. So we'll just match that on the other side. Again, nothing. Let's try the darkest shade in the palette, and I'm going to pop that with the same brush because I'm a lazy cow. Yeah, I don't think we're going to get much pigment out of this palette. I'm going to keep it quite low and do like a brown, smoky, smoky eye. There's that glitter there. Oh, it feels squishy. It's promising on the finger. Chunks of glitter. It feels like it's on with Vaseline. Gel liners or liquid liners. So I've got this weird one, and then I got this one, which is from Miss Young's eyeliner for your eyes. Right, we wouldn't know, Temu. So yeah, one from this brand and then one from Miss Young. So we'll try Miss Young first. It comes in a little bottle like this. So I'm just gonna go for a little wing. I mean, it's nothing to shout home about, but it's done a wing. Quite runny, so I don't know if I'd use that on a daily basis. Oh my god, I broke it. But no, I haven't. So it's got like the eyeliner there. So it's like a weird shaped eyeliner. And then you have it like that. and it's supposed to be easier to just stamp and then turn it back the normal way, and then it's dried up. It's completely dried up. Yeah, that's dragging and scratching on my eye. That's a flop. That's a flop. That will be going in the bin. Don't waste your money. I think that's as good as we're going to get with the eyes, guys, today. I was going to put some lashes on, but now I'm thinking no. So I do have 2 mascaras to try out. One has not got anything on it, basically. So I'm going to start off trying this one first. It gives me length, but it's like spider legs. Oh, it's going on the top. It's going all on the top of my eyelid. It like transferred onto the top of my eyelid. Full Lift Volume Express Mascara. Jeez, that's got a... You see that? Oh god. Oh no. Oh my god. What? Oh no, that's a no, guys. I mean, my lashes look alright, but when you get close up, look how clumpy. It was literally like sticky. No, that's going in the bin. It's literally made my lashes like all sticky, tarry. No, we're not having that today. So we're gonna go on to the face, because how worse can it get at this point? Lake Rain, it's called. I've heard of this brand before on Temu. It's Lake Rain, sorry, Glow Cream Cushion, Glow Lasting Radiance Coverage, and I've got it in 21N Ivory. Go from ultra light to a little bit of colour, a little bit like the Tear. I need to still try that foundation out, to be honest. You get a little sponge. I never use them. It is all sealed up, so I've not even tried the shade to see if it matches me or anything. I mean, she might be alright. No, I mean, the coverage. Let's talk about coverage. It is a full coverage girly. I'm going to be trying to get this glitter off my eyeballs for about a year. Okay, before I have a nervous breakdown, let's try the bronzer. I don't give you shade names, but these are 2 bronzers exactly the same. They're exactly the same. What an idiot. So this one's got like the cellophane on the front, so I'm gonna pop that towards the giveaway. So yeah, that'll be in with the giveaway. I'm gonna use this as bronzer. I mean, it could be a blush, but I'm gonna use it as bronzer, and it's the multi-stick Lash Haven. I have no idea, well, it looks a bit bronzery, maybe blushy, but pop her on. I think this is blush, guys. I think it's blush. So I don't know what shade that is, but it's like this beautiful corally red. We won't do bronzer until we do powder bronzer. We're not doing cream bronzer. I don't know why I didn't pick up a cream bronzer. Oh, that's pretty. That is pretty. So it looks a little bit like a Charlotte Tilbury, shall we say? Definitely giving the Charlotte Tilbury vibes. Set the under eyes. Very heavy. The under eyes with that. Yeah, it'll do. It'll do, because at this point, I think we can say Temu has failed. Let me know down below, guys, if you have any like cheap, affordable makeup brands you want me to test out, and I'll turn it into a series. But yeah, any cheap, affordable makeup, like a full face of it, just let me know down below and we'll give it a go. I'm gonna go into the bronzer. I don't know what this bronzer is gonna be like. We've got a face brush. It's got a little bit of a slanted angle to it, which is not that bad out of the palette. I mean, oh, I went a little bit ham. By the power of Christ, compel me. And why am I still dipping into more? Holy Jesus. A thumbnail was needed. We need to sort this out. So you can get Catkin off Temu. This is the original Catkin, because like I did in Ward, I did not obviously get a bronzer, or I didn't even get a powder blush. So was she pretty though? To soak in all of that not so goodness on my face, apart from the blush. I mean, that bronzer was okay. Just use a really steady hand with that, because that could get out of control pretty damn quick. So I did pick up a setting spray. So I picked up this one. It's the TVLV, sorry. This is just the Water Shine setting spray. So I thought I'd give this a go. I've not actually tried a lot of setting sprays off Temu because I do have my favourite setting sprays that I like to use. Oh, it's a fine mist, and it hasn't got any perfume smell to it, which is fantastic. And it feels like I'm just spraying literal water. I think I am just spraying water. I think I've just got a bottle of water spray. And what is it? Oh, I forgot about these. You know the new Jordana t-shirt twinkle sticks? Well, Temu and Shein and all the like have made their own version. I have actually bought the Jordana t-shirt twinkle stick in bubblegums. I'll use that in the next video. But these, oh my god, I've got a hair on my chinny chin chin. You get a little cap on them. Make sure if you do get these that you put the cap back on because they will dry up. They are literal jelly. Are you seeing this? Oh, look at that. You guys know my obsession with glittery sparkles. I'm all for it. Gorgeous. We're gonna put that in the inner corner. Is just super sparkly. Last part, we've got 2 lip shades, so they're from the same brand. Look how gorgeous that is for this autumn. Beautiful. And you also have the lipstick that matches. Gloss, and that's the lipstick. How bloody stunning are they? So we've got the red underneath, and then it's just a little bit of a nudier red, basically. I'm gonna go in with a red lipstick first. I'm gonna try and attempt to line my lips with it. I must say this is probably the best product out of the whole of the Temu makeup that I've got. Like, that's a gorgeous red. And then I'm gonna go on top with the gloss. I mean, the gloss does smell like paint, which is a little bit concerning. Right guys, not gonna lie, I'm giving a little bit of Morticia Adams at the minute. I kind of love it. The lipstick I'm loving. It's just got that little bit of an aftertaste of paint, which is a little bit questionable. That's my full face of doing Temu makeup. Nothing's burning, nothing's stinging, nothing's falling off. Questionable in the morning. So I'm gonna wash all this off tonight. Well, in about 5 minutes, let's face it. I'm gonna wash it all off and put a face mask on and edit this video ready for Sunday. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, guys. Like I said, if you want me to test out any more cheap and cheerful makeup, then let me know down in the comments down below. Again, thank you so much for all the love on my recent video. It hasn't gone unmissed, and you made your girl cry in a good way. And thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't already, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, because it's free. It's $3.99, as Twee likes to say. It's free. And also hit the notification bell so you're updated every time I upload a video, which is every Sunday at 6 PM UK time. So this is the look, guys. What do you guys think? And I will be doing a giveaway, so keep your eyes peeled for that. It'll probably be at the end of this month going into November, because you girls got to get some pennies to get you something nice. But yeah, if you do enjoy, then please subscribe, hit the like button, notification bells on, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Love you so much, and stay beautiful. Bye.